Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of denied account on the application of Snapchat. We go to settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will go to this window of Snapchat and you will click here. Then in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us.